My last day. This is my 6th day of logging at the NEA-RA. I am walking over to the convention hall. This is the last day. Not too sure how long it's gonna be. Some said 10 o'clock, some says 8. We'll see. Time to get to work. Today is the last day to use my voice and vote. I am excited about today. If you see in the background, we are coming in. Everybody's ready to get to work because this is very hard work that we're doing. Come, I'm going to take you on our last day journey.
The contingency fund is for unforeseen, unexpected expenses that we did not plan for in the budget. We already know that we request for information says to me as soon as
19, we are working hard. 19 to be considered.
And referring those MBIs, please say aye. Aye. All opposed, please say no. You have referred those new business items. Come to the stage or put a slip in. And to those who are having trouble, it's coming right now.
I have witnessed the power of collective decision-making as thousands of delegates come together to discuss and vote on critical resolutions that shape the NEA's priorities for the year ahead. So it's 1 o'clock and we are on lunch break. We have got a lot of work done. We're on number 48, new business item, and we have to go all the way up to, I think, 94. So what we did, we bundled a lot of things together. So what bundling is maybe you take, I think we took like maybe 4 or 5 NBIs, put them together, and we just vote on it at one time. So that made it go quicker. We have also voted for amendments and resolutions. So after we come back, we're gonna get back to business and vote. Let me show you where I'm at. Taking a nice break. This is the convention right here. It's very nice area. It goes all the way down. It's a huge place. You work hard, but you also have to remember to self-care. Balance is the key. So I'm just gonna come and just chill out here and get some vitamin D. Today is our last day in the RA. We had a good morning. I'm ready to take care of more business, and then I can go home. Okay, I gotta get back to my seat. We finished stretching.
Okay, delegates, I have a question about the motion to refer the FBIs over $100,000. So let's go to that next. 22, Sharice.
Session getting to work here. Everybody's working. Everybody's working.
Hey, delegates! I hope you got a really good stretch in here. All right. Okay, listen up. I'm going to read them to you. 52, 53, 54, 55, 57, 58, 59, 79, 85, 88, and 89.
Do this, but also help students navigate the burden of funding their transportation to school and certification exams. This often looks like taking on second jobs and working long hours, which takes time away from our studies. NEA's campaign would also advance racial and social justice. It would diversify the profession by bridging the inequities of BIPOC and disabled aspiring educators. As the largest labor union in the nation, we cannot leave some of our educators to fall behind. Aspiring educators are the future of the NEA, and we are here to support you all. So we ask that you support us too. Thank you.
Okay. Let's see what else I can show you that we have besides just voting in the convention hall. Hey guys, we are on break. So now I am going to put up a post-it on it says, our reasons why. What is your reason why you do what you do? It's crazy, right, with one hand. And I am going to take a pen. And I am going to pin it up. Gotta find a spot. It's hard to find a spot. I'm gonna pin mine up right here. Okay, mine is up. And this is how we use our voice.
Bethany, microphone 11.
Good afternoon, Madam President. I'm Bethany Service. Pronouns she, her, hers, from somewhere over the rainbow. Oh, sorry, I mean Kansas. As a fellow music educator, particularly a middle school choir, I am here to oppose NEA-RA. This is already being looked at by professional music organizations, NAFME, National Association for Music Education, the American Choral Directors Association, the American String Teachers Association, and others. As a choir teacher, I know that music can cost $1.95 to $3.50 per copy, but composers only get 3 cents per copy sold. These organizations can best figure out how to put more money in composers' hands. So let's let the experts in the field take care of the issue that they are already working on. Thank you.
Thank you. Microphone 18, Kevin.
said wake up.
Yes, Kevin Michaels from California, and keeping new business items efficient, I move to close debate.
Aye. All opposed, please say no. You have closed debate. I'm putting new business item 80 before you. All in favor of new business item 80, please vote for by pressing 1. All opposed, please vote against by pressing 2. Please vote now.
Wait. You got our vote.
Okay, the votes are in. You have not adopted new business item 80. New business item 82, microphone 31.
People wearing yellow shirts are holding signs to remind New Jersey delegates what we voted on in our morning state caucus meeting.
Murphy made and I second.
Thank you. Delegates, if you wish to speak to the motion to refer, please call in your slips now. Please call them in now. Go ahead and speak to your motion. Martha?
The primary impetus for the motion is out of fiscal responsibility. This NBI and others like it that call on the NEA to highlight and raise awareness of resources and education about people's histories, honored.
NBI 94 on behalf of my delegation, which was unanimous, and the Women's Caucus.
We have done it.
There as well.
This is
So
our
I feel
last
pretty good about that.
NBI.
I want to send you home.
And it's only 4:29. We are not staying late tonight.
That we can
We
start
have
to reduce stress and
accomplished
anxiety, because I know that there's just a ton of it out there. I'm a retiree, and my husband and I sit on the couch and watch the news and just shake our heads. We don't want our grandchildren to have to live with this. So this green noise, as you
have
probably
done it.
suspect, involves nature,
So,
and it's totally voluntary.
This
You
was
don't
my
have to
journey.
use it, but
I
it
hope
does
you
work for
enjoyed
you.
it.
And I hope
She
it
took me
will.
along with her. I hope you
It
enjoyed
can
it.
make a difference.
And please
Please vote for this.
come next year.
Vote, vote, and vote.
Why is it important to vote?
You're not getting me on this camera.
See, I was using my interviewing
Important to
skills.
vote.
It's very
Your voice
important.
is heard when you vote. You move motions, you move mountains when you vote.
It's very important. Use your voice. Get into the spaces. Why not?
Why not you?
Why not you? I like that. Why not you?
Next time I want to see you at 2024. You in the back there too.
No, not at all. Pack is tied to this.
We want your vote too.
Your vote too.
So,
Your vote.
I want
Yes,
to
your vote counts. Yes.
Please vote now.
Okay, guys, this is my last vote. They want me to say no. It's been received.
3-1G goal. This year, that number increased to 25 state affiliates meeting their 3-1G goals. We would like to recognize the states that met their goal this year. Alabama,